Okay, so now that we've actually created the blog post and we used these different websites to find content, then we found a very good looking photo gallery. We created the blog post. This is the blog post that we created, uh, and then we added the photos into the gallery and published the post. Now the second part is to get viewers to view this post, and the platform that we use is Facebook. Now, Facebook has been pretty popular for the model train pictures. If you notice, I posted something on December 5th. It has 227 people that already like it, 25 shares. So people are receptive to it. And the reason that people are receptive and find this popular is the fact that it contains photo. It's all photos. So if they click on this link, it takes them to a page that has a description, which is also very important. I have to reiterate the fact that a description is going to be important because when someone sees the photos, they're going to want to know more details of how it was constructed because the people are viewing the photos based on the fact that they want to add more photos into their own layout. So they want to find details on it. It's a very niche, specific type of topic. So this one has a lot of details. But regardless, they come to this site from here and view the pictures. So the let's break down exactly how the post should look. There's a few factors that matter. The title. So usually we can grab the title of just the photo gallery itself, and that's what I like to do. So just copy that into the new post, and then the URL. Now you'll notice that well, usually the URL will populate. So hold on, let me just do it again for you. So we put the title in there. Then we put the URL. And you see how it populates? The thing is, I don't necessarily like this view of how it works. I like to actually manually upload the picture with the link instead of having them click directly from here to go to the site. It's just worked out better. We could test it in the future, but for the time being, this is how it should be done. So just cut that out, leave it like this, and the other goal is we want people to eventually send us pictures as well. If you notice on the right side, a lot of people post pictures on this page, but I want them to email me pictures so that way we don't have to keep looking through all of these different websites to find pictures. We can have people actually send us pictures, which will make our lives much easier in terms of actually generating content. So now the final step is add a photo, and the usually what I do is I just go to the article. Okay, this is very important. The reason this works and the reason this is popular is because it shows a lot of the actual layout. So the photo that we choose for Facebook is extremely important. It's the most important piece of doing the presentation. So pay very close attention to always choosing the best image possible. If you notice, a lot of the layout photos that I choose are like compelling images that look good, and that's what we want to pick pictures that actually show people a lot of information. And for this one, if we look at the gallery, there's a lot of different pictures here. I like to choose something colorful that shows a big visual representation, and one that looks pretty good. This one's good. It's kind of too far away, so it's hard to tell what's going on. Um, so this one might be a good one. So actually let's go with this one. Hmm. Nah. Okay, I'm gonna go with the first one. So we get this. Save the picture. Go to Facebook. Upload the picture. So there we go. Now one thing I want you to pay attention to is that the times in the day that Facebook works very well for the postings are on Sunday. The best time in the day is around noon, but PST time, so around my time, so Pacific Standard Time. And I would like for you to post always around these times. Now, if you're not awake and you can't post, the best way to do it is to go to the scheduling agent. So they have a scheduling section here, and it's a schedule post. So here you can actually add the time in PST or whichever format they show on your side, but schedule it between like middle of the day PST time. I don't have to do that right now because it is middle of the day. It's only 1:40 p.m. But always make sure you schedule the post around the correct time so more people get to see the post and it gets more action. So we're just ready to post this one, and I could just post it. And that's step 2 of the entire process. So now we have created the content piece, then we've posted the content piece on Facebook, and they could click on it and they can go to the actual piece of content.